Okay, so I've been having a problem with my address light not lighting up. First thing I'm gonna do is check and make sure I got voltage. So I do have voltage. I've got 19 volts coming in, but I don't have any lights coming out. Make sure that this is on AC. If it was on DC, I won't get anything. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the power off to this wire. Okay, no volts. So first, disconnect these wires. You can see they're kind of tangled up into a mess. This is really ugly, but that's okay. All right, so we're disconnected. Now at this point, I could take out these two screws and I could pull the whole thing off, but this is by Aero-Lite plastics, and I found that I can actually just replace this, so that's what I'm gonna do. And there's a lot of corrosion on these wires, so I'm gonna try to clean those up a little bit. I'm just using some Emery cloth. Anything that's 120 or 200 grit, even 400 grit would be fine. And just get some of that corrosion off, because with that corrosion on there, that could be the entire problem that I'm having anyway. All right, and this is the kit that I got. It's by Aero-Lite, and so I'm just gonna insert this on here. And there's a screw that it comes with, and it says to drill a 1/16 inch hole in here. And I don't want this to go too deep, just deep enough. So put this on here. And it warned about going too deep with this screw, so try to be careful not to go too far. All right. Now I'm going to try to put these wires in. I want to do it in such a way because there's so much copper bare here, I don't want that to come in contact with this. And it doesn't matter which side goes where. So I could put this over here or vice versa. And then do the same thing for this side. And then just bend these tabs back. And try to make sure that none of this is going to be contacting. And these are the LED lights. You can see they've got the LEDs on this side, and it comes with this. You could put it out like this, and this is kind of what you would think you would want, where the light's pointing straight out toward the address light, but you actually want it pointing away. That way it reflects off of the back and then makes the whole thing glow. And turn the power back on. You can see that we do need both lights in order for this to work. So if you got one bad bulb, the whole thing shuts off. So those LEDs are going to save power, but they're also going to last a lot longer, so I'm not going to have to replace these bulbs again for a long time.